6 ways to make money with videos. Get started in 24 hours. Hey, have you entertained the thought of maybe doing some videos and making money on a platform like YouTube here? I gotta tell you, there are dozens and dozens of ways you can make money with videos. And no, you don't need to be some fancy Hollywood filmmaker or anything like that. You don't need a whole bunch of equipment or anything like that. With some very basic things like a smartphone and some decent lighting, which could be the light coming through your window here, like what I have going on, you can make some great videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so that you can start making money. Now, don't forget, you got to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. There's a big button. Turn it from red to gray and ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live, or if I upload a video like this one right here. Now you're going to want to stick with me to the very end, because at the end I have a course for you that's a $97 course that you can get absolutely free. All right, so let's jump right into this. Number one, the first way to make money with videos is what? Utilize YouTube. YouTube is absolutely free. Did you hear what I said? It's absolutely free. Anybody can start a channel on YouTube. Anybody can upload videos to YouTube. Anybody can make money on YouTube. Now I want you to think about how the process works. YouTube makes money by running ads on videos that other people create. Okay, it's very unique in that particular way, because if somebody is watching your videos and they put ads on your videos, they will actually share that revenue with you. Now there are some qualifications. First off, you're going to have to put forth some effort. You're going to have to build up your channel. You're going to need 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months, and you're going to need 1,000 subscribers. Now, is this hard to do? It's a lot of work, but you can certainly do it. There's been millions of people that have already done it before you, so there's no reason why you shouldn't do it. And then once you qualify under that 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscriber thing, you can qualify and you can apply to get monetized, which means they will run ads on your videos and you will share in that revenue. Now my channel is monetized, so every single month I get money from Google, which is very, very nice. Okay, getting a payment from Google. But that's the first way that you can make money, by just making videos and uploading them to YouTube. Number 2 way to make money with videos is to make videos for other people. That's right, there are a lot of people out there that would love to make videos, but they're not good at it. They're scared of it. They don't want to do it. You can offer your services. Once you've started a YouTube channel, once you've done some videos, you can approach businesses and you can say, hey, I'll do some videos for your business, and you can actually charge them for those videos. These videos could be for restaurants, they could be for nail salons, they could be for hair salons, any local businesses, and you can make the videos and you get the money. Number 3, create video lessons. Now I started this a number of years ago, where I would get good at a particular thing, whether it was Facebook ads, or whether it was building a website, or whether it was doing drop shipping, and I would actually make videos and show people how to do what I learned how to do. What is your skill? What are you good at? Is it cooking? Is it designing websites? Is it SEO? What is it that you're good at that you could make a series of videos and make money off them? Now you could sell your series of videos as a one-off type thing. In other words, you could buy your course for $197 or $997, or you could do a type of continuity where they have access to your videos. Maybe you've done 30 or 40 videos and they pay you $27 a month or $97 a month, and I do have plans like that. I also have $197 a month. I also have $497 a month. But you could sell one of these plans where they got access to your videos by paying you monthly continuity. Another great way to make money by doing videos. Number 4, you can sell your stock videos. Now here's what we do with that. That is where I'm going to create some b-roll. Maybe it's outdoor stuff, maybe it's drone pictures, maybe it's some type of instruction, but I can sell that to many sites out there. There's so many sites out there right now that will buy your videos and they resell them to other people, and you make money when they actually buy these videos, when they use these videos. So you can actually make small short videos, b-roll videos is what we call them, and sell them on these sites and actually make money. Number 5 is affiliate advertising and product placement. You can actually make videos of other people's products where you actually review those particular products, and once you've reviewed them, you can say, hey, if you're interested in this onion chopper, if you're interested in this blender, if you're interested in this laptop, check the link below and you can get a discount on this particular product. This is done over and over again. There's so many sites on YouTube, so many channels on YouTube that actually review products, and after they review them, they have the links to those products below in the description. People click on those links and they actually will get paid when people buy those products or related products. Now I use some links for Amazon. You'll find those below in the description for different types of things that I use to record my videos, from cameras to lighting to stands and that type of thing. And when you click those links and you go to Amazon and you buy them, or you buy something related to them, or you buy anything on Amazon, I actually get paid for a period of time. So you can actually do these review videos. You can actually record videos of products that you like and actually get paid when people buy them, which is craziness, right? Absolutely free for you to do, and you can make a lot of money doing it. Number 6, you can do sponsored videos. Okay, so what are sponsored videos? It was kind of funny because as I built my channel and I got more subscribers and I got more views, I started to have companies actually contact me, some pretty big name companies, and they would say, hey, do a 30-second video of our product and we'll pay you $1,000, we'll pay you $1,500. Once you build up your channel a little bit, you can do these sponsored videos. Now it doesn't mean that you have to wait until your channel is really built up before you can actually do these sponsored videos. You can find some related products to your niche, whether it's, you know, cooking, or whether it's woodworking or knitting or whatever it is your channel is about, and contact them and say, hey, I will do a sponsored video for you within my channel, and I'll charge you $500 and I'll talk about your product for 30 seconds, or I'll talk about your product for a minute, or whatever it is. Now some of these sponsorships, once you get an audience built up, can be quite profitable. Some of these companies will pay you $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 to do a short 30 to 60-second video of their product. I know it's craziness, right? But it can be done and you can do it. All you have to do is build up your audience a little bit and start offering this to other people, or once you build up your audience, they will start contacting you too. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. You started out watching this video and you said, yeah, I'm gonna make videos, and now that we're down to the end, you're like, oh my God, I have to make videos, it's so scary. Let me explain something to you. You don't have to be an award-winning actor. You don't have to have won an Oscar or an Emmy to do videos. Anybody can do videos. Now here's a great way to gain some confidence. Go to some of the video channels that you like right now, the ones that you think are just phenomenal, and then sort by the oldest video and look at how they started out. I think you'll be amazed how poor their videos were in the beginning. Now there's some that just hit the ground running, I get that, but for the most part, everybody has to start out and make those first few bad videos. They're going to get better as long as you try hard, as long as you put forth the effort. They're going to get better. And the next thing that I think takes people out really quickly is that they look and they see that nobody's watching their videos. They're like, oh my gosh, I put in so much effort into my videos and nobody's watching it. I got 1 view, or I got 2 views. The next thing you want to do is, once you do your videos, especially if you're doing them on YouTube, is make sure you SEO those videos. I have a number of videos here on this channel that you can actually watch that will show you how to SEO your videos, because when you do your videos initially, nobody's going to know anything about them. So you want to use your SEO to build up some views of those particular videos. So you want to build up the SEO of your videos, and the best way to do that is to SEO your videos, to have the right titles in there, to have the right descriptions in there, to have the right keywords in there. Now it's still going to take time. Okay, don't get upset when you only get 1 or 2 views. It will build over time, and keep in mind, even if you only get 2 views or 3 views or whatever it is, that is 2 or 3 more views than you had if you hadn't done a video. So keep doing videos, keep uploading videos. It's taken me a long time to get where I am, and I'm not even that far along. Okay, I've got over 5,000 subscribers, which is nice, but I've done 1,000 videos, guys. It takes time, it takes effort, but it will build. Here's the point: if you don't spend the next year or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years doing videos, let's say you decide not to do videos, then nothing's going to happen. But if you do a video a week or 2 videos a week over the next year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever it is, you will build your views, you will build your subscribers, and you will make money. So you got to do it. Okay, listen to me, you got to do it, and don't quit, don't quit, don't quit. No matter how tough it gets, no matter how fruitless it seems, don't quit, and you will be successful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. And there is a course below, like I told you. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. Don't forget to subscribe, please, please, please. There's a big subscribe button down there. If it's red, click it, turn it gray. Don't forget to turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I want to have your comments below too. Any questions you have, any successes, any failures, whatever it is, put it in the comment section below, and I will be happy to come in there and talk to you about that situation. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.